guys, so it's Lisa here. So I just want to take off where we left last time. So we were in our 12-day wait. We had an appointment on the 18th of March to do our pregnancy test at the hospital. So in the 2-week wait, we had a few symptoms. So I had sore boobs and cramping and backache, but usually those are all the signs that I'm actually coming on. So kind of was sort of, yes, maybe I am, but maybe I'm not as well. You don't really know because they're all interlink. And to be honest, actually, since I've been taking the pessaries, which was after my egg collection, I've had quite sore boobs and a bit of backache and cramping. So I think the tablet, which contains progesterone, actually was obviously a product or ingredient in your body, hormone, sorry, that has those side effects as well. So you don't actually know for sure, but generally felt fine in myself, been eating healthy, avoided obviously all the aftercare they gave us last time, so baths and things like that, which was, you know, good. Unfortunately we couldn't wait until the 18th. We wanted to actually do a pregnancy test earlier at home, which we did do. I actually did a few, or maybe more than a few, and so we already knew the result before we actually went yesterday on the 18th, so we knew ahead of time to sort of, I kind of wanted to process it myself, so we decided we were going to do one early, so we did. And then we went to our appointment yesterday and they basically confirmed what we already knew, that we got a positive pregnancy test. Woo! So we are officially 4 weeks pregnant, which is great. So we're super excited, beyond excited actually, because it's worked first time, which is amazing. Obviously there is still a long way to go and a lot can happen, but so far so good, and we're just taking every day as it comes. And I'm trying to take care of myself and look after myself until we hit that 12-week milestone. So yesterday when I turned up to the appointment, I had to take a urine sample. I obviously confirmed my pregnancy test and confirmed it was positive, said it was a really strong line, so that was good. She just gave me a bit of aftercare about sort of no vigorous exercise, eating healthy, drinking lots of water, all those sorts of things really, just really looking after yourself, no heavy lifting, all those sorts of things. So that's fine, all things that we've been doing anyway, sort of no alcohol, no smoking, not that I don't smoke and haven't drank alcohol since way before Christmas. So all stuff that we've already been doing. I'm actually taking pregnancy vitamins at the moment, which we were taking conception vitamins, obviously now I'm actually taking the pregnancy ones. I'm actually taking Pregnacare myself, but there's lots of brands out there. So I'm currently obviously switched to the pregnancy ones now, which is great. Super excited to think I'm pregnant. And then she went on to give us a prescription for a further set of pessaries, because we now have to continue those up to 10 weeks of pregnancy. So that's absolutely fine. We took the prescription and got the prescription when we were there yesterday as well. While we were in the appointment with her, we had the embryoscope before, which was our egg collection. Do you remember me saying where we paid additional and they took photos every 10 minutes? We can actually claim or can get the video and the pictures. So all we had to do is sign a consent form that we wanted to request it, and then they send it in the post to you. So we've got that hopefully being delivered soon, which will be exciting to see sort of how baby developed in the incubator, which will be incredible to actually look at. It'll be amazing. So we're super excited about that. And we did have another concern that we raised with her. So in the sort of 12-day wait, I think it was a Monday night, I woke up and I had quite a lot of pain in my tummy. It was like cramping pain, but like severe cramping pain where it affected my back or ached all down my legs. I mean, I'm used to period pains because I am known to get them quite bad anyway, but it worries me when I get it like that, especially when I'm in the situation I am now, when we know we're pregnant. It's worrying because previously I've had pains like that and it's been horrific having to go through what I've had to go through. So my first panic was, oh my gosh, what's going on sort of thing. So I was really worried, so I kind of got up in the night, went to the toilet, and about within half an hour it actually passed. My husband actually heard me come out the toilet. I think he was a bit worried and asked me if I was okay and stuff, and he kind of just sat with me for a few minutes and things, and it kind of passed, and then I was able to sort of make myself comfortable and go back to sleep. But it was a bit of a worry. And then it actually happened the Monday, the Sunday, the night before our appointment on the Monday. And it was a lot more severe this time, so much that I actually woke my husband up. I felt quite sick. I actually went to the toilet to relieve myself, because that seemed to help last time. This time, not so much, a little bit, but again, it took about 45 minutes, maybe a little bit longer for it to relieve. I did get back into bed and just try to relax as much as I can, but it is very, very hard, and it's hard to switch your brain off as well from it, because you do go into panic mode. I was hot, I was sweating, my hands were sweaty. I've just went into panic mode. I literally go into panic mode because of everything we've been through before. You just worry that it's going to be the same again, because you don't want to lose something that's took you every ounce of your energy to get to and have, and it's just heartbreaking if that the situation that we would have been in. So but luck has it, everything was fine. Like I said, within 45 minutes the pain had subsided, and I was able to sort of then relax and try and go back to sleep, but it just kind of take a little bit of time for your brain then to switch off. So we did actually raise that with the nurse while we were there, and they did give us some reassurance that it was normal. They said that it could be a number of things. It could be the fact that when you have the egg collection, when you have your IVF, they stimulate your follicles, and your follicles can stay quite they can stay quite big, so they might not subside so much, which means that they can fill with fluid. Usually they said when you have a period and things, it can get your body back to normal, but obviously when you have a pregnancy you don't have that, so you can feel quite sort of discomfort really, and uncomfortable with this. So she said that could be one sort of possible side effect. You can have it on one side or the other side, so she said that's quite normal to feel that. And she said also a possibility would be the pessaries. She said one major side effect of them is wind and gas, and she said when you obviously day-to-day things, you're moving around, when you're at night you're led there, so you can't release it as much. So she said that might be sort of a side effect of it. So she said that there's two options we can do. Try things like peppermint tea and stuff to sort of relieve it as much as we can. Try and keep mobile as well, but also rather than doing the pessaries rectally, do the one in the evening. You have to do one in the morning and one in the evening, so I've been doing them roughly about 8 and 8. So do your one in the morning rectally and the one in the evening vaginally, and she said that might relieve some of the discomfort for you. So we're going to try some of these options. We actually had some peppermint tea last night, supposed to help calm the digestive system. So we're hopefully going to try that and see how that goes. But so far so good. It's going really well. We're super excited. And they actually gave us our scan date, because obviously we raised our concerns. It was due to have our scan at 7 weeks, and we are currently 4. Because we raised our concerns, they said to us, we'll move it a couple of days earlier, so we've got actually around 6.5 weeks I'll be then, which will be the 4th of April. So that's kind of a relief. Got it before the weekend. It's just over 2 weeks away, so it'll be 2 weeks on Thursday. And I can't wait really, just for my peace of mind really, because even now with the reassurance you have, which is great, it actually has helped. It's still in the back of your mind. I don't think that fear will ever go. Really don't, no matter what you go through really. I think that fear will always stay with me, but I am trying very hard to take comfort in what she has given me and the information she has given me, and to be positive and look forward to all the amazing things that are due to come. But like I said, it's all very exciting, still early stages, but absolutely incredible. Me and my husband are over the moon. We literally are over the moon. So I'm going to kind of leave it there, guys. Obviously keep you posted on myself and any side effects, symptoms, all that sort of thing, and how I get on over the next couple of weeks, and then obviously keep you posted on the next appointment and the scan, our first ever scan, so especially with this baby, so it's super exciting, I can't wait. And then obviously I'll keep you all posted, so thank you so much for listening. As always, it's a pleasure, and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care, guys.